The world holds its breath at the edge of the night, as mountains dissolve into velvet twilight. A boundless silence opens wide its hands, while heaven writes its verses across forgotten lands. The trees gently sway to the whispering breeze, like ancient guardians dreaming through the leaves. Within your eyes an endless sky appears, where every star is calling softly through the years. Another dream free. The seconds become oceans made of sky, as time forgets its name while silent swallows fly. Our voices slowly fade into the deep blue air, where constellations weave new seasons everywhere. I'd hold this night forever in my hands, like a glowing ember slipping through the sands. Teach us beauty lives in moments passing by. And if tomorrow brings an empty sky, I'll still find your face where the echoes lie. For stars are never truly gone from view, they keep on burning in the hearts that knew. We'll walk away with quiet hearts made still, carrying nothing but